Cucumbers are highly nutritious fruits that are rich source of vitamins and minerals. In this video, I'll be showing you all how cucumber water is made. I'll also be discussing 5 benefits of consuming cucumber water, and the 5th one will interest you the most. So to make the cucumber water, I'll be using 2 medium sizes of cucumber that I've washed already. I'll gently peel off the back using a kitchen peeler in order to have a light color cucumber water. But if you don't mind having a dark color cucumber water, you can simply just leave it because the back is also packed with lots of nutrients. So after peeling the back, I'll divide the cucumber into halves in order to remove the seed. I also cut the cucumber into smaller chunks just for easy blending. Next, I'll transfer the cucumber into a blender, then cover and allow to blend properly. I'm actually adding little water to it just to aid the blending process. So while that's blend, let me tell us more about the health benefits of consuming cucumber water. They help to regulate blood pressure since they are rich in potassium. They support the health of the skin and also flush out toxins from the body. They help to keep the body hydrated at all times since they have high water content. They also contain antioxidant properties that help the body to fight cancerous cells. They aid in weight loss process since they are low in calories. One can actually replace sugary sodas, juice or drinks that are high in calories or sugar with cucumber water in order to maintain a good body weight. There are other health benefits of consuming cucumber water, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, I'll strain the cucumber puree through this fine sieve in order to get the cucumber water. You can also use a cheesecloth if that's what you have. So for the chaff, I won't be discarding it. I'll be using it to make stew, of which I'll be uploading to my next video. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you don't afford to miss it when I upload the next video. So after straining, our cucumber water is pretty much ready. You can choose to make yours more flavorful by adding lime, lemon, pineapple or even melon. Just any fruit of your choice, and this can be taken at any time of the day. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.